Job snatchers and career navigators, we are to tip 8 today. Here we go. Tip 8 is how to avoid burnout. Yes, you can experience burnout as a job seeker, and it is very serious because it can keep you from finding your dream job or your career goal. Take a break. Simple as that. You need to take a break in between looking for jobs, in between looking through different searching platforms. A lot of us spend a lot of times on our phone, which is okay, but you have to make sure you have a method to your madness. Make sure that you're not going to put yourself through burnout because burnout lasts a lot longer. So you will avoid your job search a lot longer. You will avoid looking for jobs a lot longer. Take a break. Put your phone down. I know it's hard, especially if you need a job. We all need a job. We all have to make money, right? Put your phone down. Give yourself a break. Go read, go walk, talk to a friend, do something that is completely opposite of looking for a job. Okay? We are in this together. You've got this. Hang in there. Don't get discouraged and let's avoid burnout. Be diligent, stay resilient, and keep applying. I've got you.